Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock Solo. Today's video we're diving into episode 12 of how you can grow your wealth by investing just $100 a week. This series will show you how consistent small investments can add up over time. Hit that subscribe button and let's get into this weekly update. Here's a link to the playlist at your top of your screen if you want to watch the whole journey. At the start of last week, we were up $64.74 on our $1,100 investment over the course of the first 11 episodes. And starting today's episode, we're up to $1,292. So we're up $92 on the total challenge with another $100 put in for this weekly update. The main thing we've been seeing is the continued rise of Micron technology. So in today's video, I'm going to be investing a small portion of the $100 into that in hopes that it continues to reach new heights. Other considerable ETFs were the VEU, IXUS, iSpy, and DIA. Based on the 52-week range of the iSpy, I'm going to be investing the rest of the money in today's video into that. As of today, we only have two positions that are in the negative, which are Devon Energy and bots, and I've been seeing continued decline on both of these for at least 6 or 7 weeks now. So now instead of looking for the exit strategy for Micron technology, we're going to be looking at an exit strategy for Devon Energy. We're looking at the 1-year graph on Micron technology, and we can notice these long decline periods followed by short incline periods. It's happened a few times now, and right now we're at the point where we just went on a small incline, and I'm expecting to see one of these longer decline periods. We can see that the lowest point the stock ever reached in this year was about $25 a share. We have not seen it go below this point since about 2021. So I'm thinking a smart place to set this exit plan at would be about $25 a share, as that would then be lower than what we have seen 6 years ago. I think a safe exit plan for this would be setting a sell point around $25 a share, as it has not gone that low since 2021. This would be my first time setting a stop loss, so I'm going to try to figure that out on my own, and in next week's episode, I'll show you the results of if it got sold or if we continue to hold it. So today we're going to be doing $25 into Micron technology to try to take advantage of that rise, and then we're going to be throwing the other $75 in the iSpy, as it's at a slightly lower 52-week range and it's been going up for the last year. I'm going to be putting the other $75 into iSpy. It has a very strong growth right now, and it has a much higher peak than where it's at right now, which gives me the intuition that it might come back to that peak or even higher. The iSpy as an ETF was heavily affected on April 2nd when Trump put in the new tariffs, and I'm hoping that it'll bounce back to where it was right before that. It doesn't have that long of a stock history, but with what we do have and what we can see, it's been a steady incline followed by this dip caused by the tariffs. So we're hoping that it'll come back and keep up the same pace as before. Go ahead and buy the $25 in Micron technology. And we'll get the 75 in the ProShares S&P 500 High Income ETF, otherwise known as iSpy. That's going to be all for today's video, guys. I still have a couple videos in the works. One is going to be about the budgeting, but I'm planning to do a mini series on everything that you can do in Fidelity. I'll have a few episodes split up about different features. They should be about 5 minutes apiece, and then I'm gonna put them all together and make a longer guide video that should be somewhere between 25 and 30 minutes. If you guys are excited for those videos, leave a like and leave a comment, please. But that is all for today's video, so if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to stay updated on my investing journey, and let me know in the comments what stocks you think I should add to my portfolio next week. I love hearing you guys' thoughts and suggestions, and who knows, your pick might just be the next big one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.